Um, well, actually, I won in this competition. Maybe there were a lot of reasons, and but I but I um, but I knew that one of the reason that is my accent. Because before I participate the competition, my pronunciation especially not as good at this one. But after meeting with Mr. Andy, and he helped me a lot and just helped me to correct my pronunciation. Um, and then I took 2 hours classes from him. Then my pronunciation and my intonation changed a lot. And he taught me how to speak slowly and how to speak clearly and how to speak without any accent. So, so by this time, I really want to thank him, um, and I really appreciate his help.
Umad, would you tell us, thank you so much. Tell me a little bit about yourself. Are you going to school now? Where are you from? Uh, and are you going to school, and what are you studying in school?
Okay. I'm still going to school, and I study at Xinjiang University of Finance and Economics, and my major is computer science. Um,
That's great.
okay,
Thank you so much
uh-huh.
for these comments.
Okay, thank you.